How you doing, guys? Welcome to Ian's Product Focus. What we're going to focus on today is the fantastic Roots Excelurator from House & Garden. So the House & Garden Roots Excelerator is a fantastic product, like I've said. What it does, it stimulates the root growth within the sphere, so within the cocoa or soil. Remember, the gold cans are made for soil and cocoa. The silver can is for the hydro. What it does, it creates that abundance of root life in the soil of a cocoa, and explosive roots give you explosive flowers and creates a really lush top plant. So the better the roots, the better the top plant. It works by using Norwegian sea kelp, vitamin B, molasses. It uses all sorts of secret ingredients within the product to give your plant that explosive root. It puts a protection on the root stem as well. So as the root stem grows, it puts a membrane around it, allowing it to take in all the good stuff, but it also protects your roots from any bad diseases within the root zone, helping you to keep a really nice, white, lush root zone. You always use Root Excelerator from start all the way to probably the third, fourth week of flower. I like to use it on my easy plugs. So when I'm soaking my easy plugs, I put a little bit of Root Excelerator in there. Unbelievable what we do with the cuttings. You root in within 5 to 10 days. I also then use it throughout the veg stage and into about the third week of flower. That helps me know that my roots are completely protected, but I've got that abundance root growth, which means I'm going to get a really strong, healthy plant. Root Excelerator is also super concentrated. It's only 0.3 ml per litre. So a 500 ml bottle of this size will go a long way. It's a great product, really thick. Always make sure you shake it up before you use it and never add it directly to the tank. Measure it into your measuring jug, put it into your water canister, mix that up with water, dilute it down and then add it to the tank. Saves it separating in the tank because it's really thick, got a lot of molasses and seaweed in there, so I always like to dilute it first. If you've got a 200 litre tank, you're only putting in 60 ml, dilute that into a litre, mix it all up, add it to the tank. Absolutely great product. How does Root Excelerator differ from a competition? In my opinion, it's head and shoulders above the competition. It's been around for numerous years, it's been scientifically designed. They're always looking at it, we're always making it the best product available on the market. House & Garden is a trusted brand. I've seen where it's made from the best products on the market, and it's got a secret formula that everybody's trying to copy, but they can't. So why is it better than the rest? It just simply is. It is the best product, best rooting product on the market by far. I would even say it's probably the best product in the industry. As you'll notice on all new Root Accelerators, we've got the hologram now on the side of the sticker, but we've also now got the UK flag. This is specifically designed for UK water now, so if you want the best Root Accelerator in the market, don't buy the grain pot, always buy the unit with the Union flag on there. You know that it's come from us. We do sub-distribute to other wholesalers in the market, so as long as you're buying it with a UK flag, you know it's a genuine product. Again, don't use any of the copies. I have seen people now drop in their root stem in a gold can. It's just cheap marketing trying to copy the best. If you've got a good product, that's fantastic. Sell it for what it is. Don't copy Root Accelerator. You can't copy the best. So thanks for listening. I've talked about Root Excelerator many times. It's one of my favorite products of all time. I always use it. I always get great results. Anybody who's using it will tell you the same. It's not cheap. The dilution is really low. So like you say, 200 litre tank, it's only 60 ml. So you're nearly doing 10 tanks with that. So it's going to do you a full run just about on a 200 litre tank. Protects your roots, gives them that abundance of growth, good roots, great plant. It's a fantastic product. Cheers, guys.